Good evening, everyone. My name is Diane again. I am doing a demonstrative speech on how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookies for my public speaking class. Good afternoon, everyone. Imagine walking into your house after a long day and smelling fresh chocolate chip cookies baking in the oven. The warm smell of sugar and butter fills the kitchen, and you know in just a few minutes you will have one of the best comfort foods ever made. Cookies are something most of us love, and the good news is they are simple to make at home. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies in 3 easy steps. First, you gather your ingredients, then you mix and prepare the dough, and finally you bake them to perfection. Step 1. You gather your ingredients. Before you can start mixing, you need the right ingredients. You will need flour, sugar, brown sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. If you want your cookies to taste extra good, use real butter instead of margarine and use fresh ingredients. Having everything measured and ready before you begin makes the process much easier. Think of it like setting up before a project. You want everything in place so you don't have to run back and forth while you're baking. Once you have everything ready, you can start mixing. First, cream together your butter, sugar, and brown sugar until it looks smooth. Then add your eggs and vanilla and mix them in well. After that, stir in the dry ingredients, which are flour, baking soda, and salt. Be careful not to overmix because that can make your cookies tough instead of soft and chewy. The last step, and the best one, fold in the chocolate chips. At this point, the dough will look like what you expect cookie dough to look like, and you will probably want to sneak a taste. Now it's time to bake. Use a spoon to drop small scoops of dough onto a cookie sheet. Make sure that you leave space between each scoop because the cookies will spread out as they bake. Put the tray in the oven at 350 degrees and let them bake for about 10 minutes or until they are golden brown. When you take them out, let them cool for a few minutes so they can set. Once they cool, they're ready to eat and they will taste even better than store-bought cookies. So let's review. Making homemade chocolate chip cookies is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You gather your ingredients, you mix and prepare the dough, and you bake them until they are golden brown. The next time that you want to impress your friends or family, skip the packaged cookies and make a fresh batch yourself. Not only do they taste better, but the smell of cookies baking is something that will make your whole house feel warm and inviting. I encourage you to try making a batch this week and share them with someone you care about. Thank you.